Hey guys, Ash here from DTFF, the Volunteer Firefighter podcast. I just want to talk today quickly about our process of coming home and decon after a call. We know while we're out there running around, we can get exposed to all sorts of stuff. So this is one of the things that we've been doing after a call. We come back and we're utilizing a simple HVLP spray gun with a alcohol and water-based solution. So what we do is we mix it, fill it up in the cup, and then we're misting the cab after a wipe down. So we still do our normal wipe down process, but then we mist the cab. All touch surfaces, seats, anything that could possibly be exposed, we're going to give a quick mist. And the nice thing about the mist is it settles down and doesn't re-aerosolize anything that might still be in there. Obviously, while we're doing this, we're wearing iPro and we're wearing something like our RZ mask, just because it is something that we are putting airborne, so we don't want to be ingesting that. So it's a simple fog. Right now, this is just water for demonstration, but we would be coming up to the door. It's just a mist. So what that's going to do is settle down on all of the surfaces and gives it a chance to dry out. We leave the doors open and then walk ourselves away, give it 5-10 minutes, and everything's been settled down. The truck's ready for service again. So again, you got yourself a water and alcohol solution and an HVLP paint gun. We plug it into the air that supplies our trucks when they're already parked here. So it was a simple addition to our decon process, and it seems to be working out well. Something you guys can do at home, very, very cheap. Stay safe out there, stay DTFF.